This lecture is for The Living Earth, Unit 1.3, Describing Populations. Today's essential question: how is population growth affected by carrying capacity? Carrying capacity. The carrying capacity, represented by a capital K, of a habitat is the largest population size that can be supported in an ecosystem over a particular period of time. Many factors, including water, light, nutrients, and space, influence an ecosystem's carrying capacity. In theory, a population will grow exponentially until it is using all of its available resources, and at this point, the population should stabilize at the carrying capacity. At the carrying capacity, death rates equal birth rates. This rarely occurs in nature because disease, predation, and density-independent factors, such as extremely cold winters, usually intervene. Now, if you're familiar with calculus, the carrying capacity can be used to determine the logistical growth curve for a population. If a population size, which we would represent with a capital N, is below the carrying capacity, it will grow at a rate that is proportional to the difference between K and N divided by K. This information can be used to generate a logistic growth equation, the one you see on your screen here. Returning to the logistical growth curve, we can better understand this relationship. The smaller population, again represented by N, the closer the difference between K and N divided by K will be to 1, meaning the population growth will be high. When the population reaches carrying capacity, in K, then the difference between K and N divided by K equals 0, and growth ceases. It is possible for a population to temporarily exceed the carrying capacity of its habitat. This, however, cannot last. Such a population causes rapid degradation of the environment, and then the loss of food and other resources will cause the population to crash. At this point, you should be able to generate a full and appropriate response to today's essential question: how is population growth affected by carrying capacity?